Keywords: artificial intelligence, deep learning, data science, generative AI, transformers, RAG. Data science, artificial intelligence, generative AI, deep learning, transformers and retriever augmented generation, RAG, are all important and rapidly growing fields with the potential to revolutionize many industries. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistical methods, algorithms, and computational techniques to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and learn like humans. Generative AI refers to algorithms that can create new content, such as text, images, music, and videos. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to model complex patterns in data. Transformers are a type of deep learning model designed for sequence-to-sequence tasks, particularly in natural language processing, NLP. Retriever augmented generation, RAG, combines retrieval-based and generation-based approaches to provide more accurate and contextually rich responses. Keywords: analysis, business data, data science, engineer, machine learning. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines principles and practices from the fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering to analyze large amounts of data. Data science is important because it helps businesses to uncover new patterns and relationships, innovate new products and solutions, and respond to changing conditions in real time. The data science process involves obtaining data, scrubbing data, exploring data, modeling data, and interpreting results. The top data science techniques are classification, regression, and clustering. Data science practitioners work with complex technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and quantum computing. Data science is an all-encompassing term for other data-related roles and fields such as data analytics, business analytics, data engineering, machine learning, and statistics.